Yes guys, so welcome back to the channel. We have come down here today to one of my favourite places, Three Sisters. Let's go and see what's going on, shall we? Let's go. As you can see, we're back at Three Sisters. Supermoto 5 today. Just coming to have a little check round, see what's about. Let's catch some fumes.
Place is the 351 of Rick Owens, so teammate to Sean Jones, as I mentioned earlier. Rick on a new to him machine, getting used to racing ATM after being a visit with Husqvarna for a number of years. The support class in British Superbike, so they need to keep an eye out there for the future for sure. In 50. The 365 of Lewis Howells on
So yeah, as I said, back at the track. This was Supermoto 5, round 5. So not to forget, 22nd of October, sorry, 22nd of August should I say. We're going to be back at the track. Carton's on, 22nd, yeah.